Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix messenger call allow messenger to access nearby device error problem. So let's see how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all go to settings, and then scroll down, find apps option. Now go to apps option. Now find messenger from the app list. Tap on messenger. Now go to permission. Now find nearby device option. Here you can see nearby device. Just tap on this option. Now allow nearby device permission. Now go back to home screen. Restart your phone. Just press and hold on power button and then restart your phone. After restart your phone, now hopefully your problem solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.